everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and today I'm going to show you how to take an image that you've bought from Etsy or anywhere online and import it into your Cricut to make it a cut file. So I need an American flag. So I'm going to type in American flag SVG because that's what I'm looking for. And let's see, let's go to Etsy. That's exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm going to add that to cart. It's only $1. Okay, so I'm going to download the file. Put it on my desktop. And I'm going to go over to Cricut Design Space and I'm going to hit upload. And then I'm going to upload the image, browse from wherever you have it stored. I have it stored on my desktop. We're going to import it as an SVG. I could do a PNG. That also works in Cricut. So the image name, I'm just going to change to American flag so that if I ever have to search for it, I have it already. And it's already ready to go. So all I have to do is click on it, hit insert image, and it's already ready to go. Super easy. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell notification so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. And make sure you're following Wonderland Boutique on all of our social media accounts. Thanks everybody and hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.